Hi guys, AWS sometimes give different credit codes to your AWS account. But do you know how to add these credits to your AWS account? If you don't know, come with me, I show you. Because I just added my AWS Community Builder credits to my account. Come with me. Go to Billing Dashboard. Go to Credits. Redeem credits. Enter the code. Make sure not added spaces before and after. Then type the character from the CAPTCHA. Click Redeem credits and that's all. Sometimes at various events, webinars and challenges you can get special code for free from AWS that will add some dollars to your AWS account. And this is place where you can use this code. Exactly the same situation is if you belong to AWS Community Builder or AWS Heroes. You can get AWS credits to learn, experiments and grow. And before this video, I added credits from AWS Community Builder. As you see, I have now $500 more. Thanks for watching. On my blog lepczynski.it you will find more useful informations and tutorials. See you in next video.